Well-funded, quality public education can transform the lives of students and their families. Well-funded, quality public education can transform lives. You change lives. You give hope. You create possibility and opportunity for your students. You transform lives. I have tremendous respect for the work that you do. It's why I was so pleased when my nephew chose to get his master's degree and certification to teach elementary special education. Give it up for our special ed teachers. He's employed in a district in Suffolk County. He enjoys the work. He's very dedicated to his students. But when I see him, he has one question for me. Melinda, you'll be interested in this. He says, Uncle Thomas, when are they going to fix Tier 6? The strength of NYSUT protects your dignity throughout your professional career, and you deserve that dignity in your retirement as well. Despite the volatility in the markets, the state teachers' retirement system, the New York City retirement systems, and the New York State retirement system remains among the best-funded public pension plans in the United States of America. We are well-funded, well-funded. Now, New York's pensions, all of them, these plans have diversified portfolios that are built for the long term, not just the short term, and these portfolios will weather the ups and downs of the markets. Because our plans are so strong, that's why we can talk about doing more to fix Tier 6. Because we're strong, we can have this conversation, and you could press for those changes. Now, obviously, you know what's going on. A lot of negotiations, a lot of discussions going on tied to the budget. Tier 6 is definitely going to be part of that discussion. But because of your advocacy, and I'm not in the room, I'm the controller, right? I deal with whatever is decided by the governor and legislature. But I really do believe there will be changes in Tier 6. You can count on that. You can count on that. And what I can assure you of is that when we see what the changes will be, I can assure you the money will be there to fund your pensions, and we will safeguard your retirement for today and for all the years to come. That's my job, to make sure the money's going to be there for you with the Tier 6 changes.